So here in Photoshop, we're going to have a look at how we basically rotate and repeat a shape around a circle. So what we need to do in order to do this kind of pattern, first of all, is create a brand new layer in Photoshop. And once we create that new layer, I'm going to grab my brush tool. You can create a shape using any brush or drawing tool that you want. I'm just going to use the brush tool because it's easy. And then basically I'm going to draw on a nice little shape that comes to somewhere near the center of my canvas here. And then once I've done that, I'm going to use Command and T or Control and T on the PC to transform that down a little bit so it's nice and small, and it will rotate in the area of my canvas here. So once that's done, I'm going to go to use Free Transform again. So you'll find that under the Edit menu and then Free Transform. And basically, a couple of things you want to make sure here. The first thing is that we've got this on its own individual layer, which we can see here, layer 1. And the second is that we've got this anchor point turned on in the top left of our canvas. So you can see this anchor point is a little target right in the middle of our little squiggly line there. So once we've got that turned on, we're going to move this anchor point across to the right. And that means that when we rotate it, and we can kind of move this anywhere we want, it's going to rotate around this point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and just move this a little bit. We'll go for 10 degrees. So basically, if we repeat this around 360 degrees, we're going to get 36 of these shapes all in a circle. And then once I've rotated it by 10 degrees, I'll hit enter, and then I can hold down Shift, Option, Command, and T, and that will repeat the transformation. And you'll see as it repeats the transformation, it's also duplicating that. So that's those three modifier keys. On the PC, it will be Shift, Option, Control, and Transform. On the Mac, it's Shift, Option, or Alt, and Command and the Transform or T key. So we can just keep going until we get all the way to the end, and you're going to see you then get this nice little pattern shape. If I go to View and 100%, you can see that's nice and crisp. My canvas is a bit smaller than my larger screen here. So basically that's how you create this kind of revolving pattern. You'll see now in your layers panel that you have all the layers of each of those lines. If we select them all and then use Control or Command and E, it will merge them together. So now if I go back to my Move tool, I can move these around as one object. And in fact, if we transform this down, and I transform it down even a little bit more, we can go a step further. We can take this shape and then do Command and T, and instead of rotating it around part of this shape, I could rotate it around the middle of my canvas here. And then if we do, let's do 20 degrees this time. In fact, let's do 36 degrees. So it would be 10 times round to get all the way around back to the beginning. So I'm going to hit enter, and then I'm going to do Shift, Option, Command, and T, and we'll be able to duplicate those objects around in a circle. Now, one really cool last thing we can do, if we just come back to the beginning, is if we transform this, put this in the center, and then rotate this by 36 degrees, but then also scale this down a little bit, then when we do Shift, Option, Command, and T, it's going to get smaller a little bit every time we duplicate that shape. So you can see now we're kind of gradually vanishing into nothingness. And you can keep repeating and going on with this. So we could take this now, duplicated shape, and rotate this. So if we rotated this, Command and T, pop this in the center here, and rotate this around this point, then we're going to get some cool kind of overlapping versions of this shape. And again, you can layer up and work on this more and more to get some interesting shapes and patterns. But hopefully this helps you to get that Shift, Option, Command, or Shift, Option, and Control shortcut key with the T key to kind of create these patterns in Adobe Photoshop.